Hello, everyone, and welcome to Wolf Quest Club. Now, this is an older game, but it is going to be a lot of fun. Students will be able to design their own wolves, name them, make their own characters. And because of that, I think it'll be fun to do some things outside of class with those characters that they make as well, such as art, any art that they want to draw, post on the class page. While we're playing, they'll be able to socialize and talk with each other over the Zoom. And if they have the multiplayer version of the game, they'll be able to see each other's wolf characters as well. Now, I do like to just show parents that there is a little bit of fighting, I guess, that goes on between wolves because there are animals, and there is some hunting involved, hunting elk, rabbits, coyotes, stuff like that, and then they do eat them afterwards. So just make sure that you're comfortable with that. But again, there is a multiplayer version, and I think that that will be a lot of fun. It'll really help us play the game together, but we'll also learn how to play the game and beat the game in both multiplayer, which is more of a social way to play, and single player, which is more quest based. So right now, this is the quest to find a mate. So I'm looking for other wolves. This one happens to be a female, so she just wants to fight me. But again, I just wanted to give a quick overview of what it looks like, what we'll be doing, what we'll talk about, and I think that it'll be a lot of fun. But I did want to show what some of the things look like for parents, just so that they know. So for example, the wolves will hunt animals and eat them. And now I just wanted to show you what that looks like in case anyone was concerned. So they do eat the animals. And it's not a very highly graphic game. So it's up to the parent if they're comfortable with that or not. But I just wanted to show a sneak peek of what it looks like in the game. They'll hunt other animals, run around together, be a pack, get to talk and socialize while they're playing the game, learning how to play the game, and ultimately beating the game and fulfilling the quests. But I am super excited for this, and I just hope that we have a lot of fun.